I've always been an overthinker. Stressing about the future or worrying about the past. I haven't felt happy for a very long time. Yup, it's time for change. Since I was a little kid, I've always been different. I didn't choose hockey or soccer, but I became a professional trampoline gymnast. I competed at a high level for over 10 years, but over time I lost my motivation and found a new passion in making videos. I got my first GoPro for Christmas and started to document my travels. After finishing high school, I decided not to go to university, such as everyone else, but learned everything about filmmaking by myself instead. It turned out to be a good choice, because over the past few years I've had the opportunity to work on some incredible projects. But there's one more thing you need to know about me. When I was 11, I lost my father. He struggled with mental illness and took his own life. I've faced my own mental challenges, and because of that, I've always been scared that I'm just like my father. My mother wrote a book about everything that happened, to process it. I made videos to understand what I was feeling. And as you can see in those videos, I've experienced some deep lows. My most recent challenge was the constant struggle with acne. The treatment with Accutane was intense. 3 pills a day, and they made me feel terrible. Everyone talks about the dry skin, lips and eyes, but I think people often forget the worst side effect. Depression. Luckily, after a year and a half, I've finished this course of medication and I'm finally starting to feel like myself again. As I said, it was time for change. And the past few months, there's changed a lot. The biggest change might be the fact that I've moved to a different city. A new place, a fresh start. Utrecht became my new home. Being independent and having my own space made that there was so much more room for personal growth. I've also implemented some habits into this new life that have been helping me to feel even better, to feel happy. I've started meditating, simply focusing on my breath. The rising and falling sensation. It helps me to control my mind, to transition dark and heavy thoughts into this new way of light and bright thinking. Reading became such a powerful tool for me to learn new things and also for personal growth. Most importantly, it forces me to slow down and escape from the pressures of my daily life. Sometimes life suddenly feels heavy again, as if I'm living in one big cloud. My thoughts take over and it gets dark. Completely dark. This year I've started to visit a psychologist. Over there I'm reliving memories, thoughts, emotions. I'm facing the questions I'm most afraid to answer. It's not easy, and I'm not there yet. But I hope it will all make me gain a deeper understanding of myself. Contracting the muscles to relax the mind. I've been working out for years, so this isn't a big change. But this new gym gave me lots of motivation again. Writing down my thoughts at the end of the day helps me to reflect. Nothing to overthink about anymore, because my thoughts are written down. It helps me to keep going and to keep growing. Afterwards I feel empty, ready to go to bed. Then there's also this new person in my life that has helped me to feel happy, I don't think I need to explain. This year I've tried to focus on doing things that give me energy, not those that drain me. And I think I know now. It's traveling and making films that resonate. At best, a combination of both. Change won't come by waiting. Thinking won't get you any further. Taking action will.